How to fix Hitv app can't download issue. So guys, this is very easy. Let's get started. First, go to the Play Store or App Store. Now search for the Hitv app here. After searching, you will find the Hitv app. Just install it from here. If in your case the app is not downloading or installing, then there can be a few reasons, so let's fix them now. First reason could be the internet. Yes, you heard it right. Internet check fixes the Hitv download issue only when the problem is a weak or unstable connection. So make sure there is no issue with your internet. Now comes cache clearing, and this only works when there is a corrupted temporary data problem. Steps are on your screen to clear caches. So make sure these small steps may look simple, but they are actually valid troubleshooting steps. Then comes the third reason, and that is storage. Storage cleanup only fixes the Hitv download issue when your phone memory is full. So also make sure you have enough storage available for the Hitv app. And also make sure the Hitv app is updated in the Play Store, because an old version can also cause problems. Now the next step is restarting the device. Yes, you heard it right. Restarting the device only solves the Hitv download issue when there are temporary glitches. So after trying all the steps, make sure to restart your phone once. Still got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.